Welcome to the Ralston floor plan, a 2,500 square foot single family home that features 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, and a dedicated home office.
The Allison neighborhood is located just south of Kagy, between South 19th and South 3rd. You're minutes from MSU, parks, trails, and everything Bozeman has to offer.
Built in 2026 by Kagy Construction, with over 2 decades of local craftsmanship behind every detail.
Step inside and you immediately feel it. The open concept main level is designed for real life. The kitchen is generous, the dining area is dedicated, and the living space is flooded with natural light. This is a home that makes entertaining feel effortless.
This 2,500 square foot floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and everything you need for Bozeman living.
Through the 2-car garage, you will find a mudroom and a powder room attached, making it the perfect drop zone. Walking through the mudroom into the home, you'll find your home office down the hall.
Upstairs features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The south-facing bonus area can be utilized as a second living room or a home office.
Look for our next open house, follow the link in our bio for details, or reach out to the Outlaw Realty team to schedule your private tour.